I'm Mark Graham, Engineering and Sales Manager here at Grilla Grills, and this is
Shane Draper, Pitmaster and Food Guru.
So we're ready to finally introduce probably one of my favorite projects, this Pro Cart.
The way you see this cart right now is how I, as a pitmaster, would configure it. We have everything that you need to help keep the grill clean, right? And that's our accessory, Silverbac accessory kit. We have our front shelf, all stainless. One bungee, put your paper towels right here, you're ready to go. Everything's stainless, it cleans up easy, it rolls easy. I mean, this is how I would build this to go compete today.
These wheels, they're foam filled, 8-inch wheels, full ball bearing, got a 5/8 bolt going to these things. These things are never gonna go flat. On each leg and along the bottom, you can see these little black dots. These things punch out, and what you can do with all these things that are wrapped around the side is you got places where you can hook bungees. You can strap down anything you want underneath here. We got 80 pounds of pellets right now.
Right.
You can put boxes of utensils, which we always carry, right? You got a competition, you got the big plastic thing with all your stuff on it.
Right. As a pitmaster whose, storage space on a trailer is a premium.
Pushing something through gravel is not ideal. All the carts and stuff that you see at these competitions, even around your house, you always pull it. And that's what we did. You simply lift this thing up, and now you have a live axle. So what we designed in it is a pin and a slot. So when this thing comes up, it locks down.
Boom, out of the way.
And we actually cut it so it goes around your grease can or your bucket.
Right.
It comes with a little bungee strap that actually hooks on here. And we, again, have one of these holes that are built into this. So a little bungee strap that keeps this thing from bouncing around.
Love it.
And it comes with the grill. All the construction is 14 gauge steel. We use stainless steel nuts and bolts to hold this whole thing together.
Not rivets.
Not rivets, not sheet metal screws, nuts and bolts. With these holes, they're pre-positioned for bungees. We're gonna be able to add some cool stuff to this. And for the rain, the cover still fits on this thing, man. No effect. I mean, even the front shelf, I had a lot of people like, oh, will the cover fit on the front shelf? Absolutely. Front shelf, the cart cover comes right down, covers everything. So as you can see, this thing is built out of 14 gauge steel. I mean, this thing is solid, right? So once you get this all put together, how do you get it off that onto here?
Right.
Just like when you built the cabinet, there's 2 screws on this side, 2 screws on that side. So once you get this built, 4 screws, 2 people, take it over, drop it on here, exact same holes. I mean, it's that easy. It's basically just another version of the cabinet. And so if you want to go back and forth and you want that at home, but you want this while you travel, 4 screws.
Right.
Boom, pop it over, you're ready to rock.
Do you need this if you're, everyday backyard guy? Is it going to matter to the meat? No, but it is awful darn cool. To the pitmaster like me, I've got to have this. The reality is, it's taken away a lot of vibration on my trailer. It's taken away a lot of the scratches and dents and dings that I'm going to encounter. The way the original Silverbac is set up. But hey, it still cooks exactly the same, and that's what I love about it. We just kind of came along and addressed an issue that us competition guys were having. And I love what we've done with this, the modular design, the ability to add on stuff. Every little nook, cranny, everything has been super thought out.
I really hope you guys like the look, the value, the price, some of the features that we built into it. Again, it's modular. We got some good ideas. We're looking for some more, by the way. What else would you like put on this thing? Hey, we have bolt holes in place for some fun stuff in the future. So you are getting more than what you see here already. So again, I'm Mark Graham of Grilla Grills.
I'm Shane Draper, Grilla Grills.
This is the Pro Cart.